Hello everyone, welcome to Rasayan Academy, all of you. Now, in this particular video, we are going to be discussing a very important name reaction, Bartoli-Indole synthesis. Okay. So, most of these heterocyclic synthesis reactions are almost of the same type. ठीक है, they are not very difficult. लेकिन ये वाला जो question है, ये वाला जो name reaction है, this is like different. Even the starting step is very much different. So guessing the mechanism in the exam hall becomes very difficult and risky. ठीक है, इसीलिए मैं आपको ये reaction जो है बता रही हूँ. और also this question has been asked in your GATE 2022 examination. ठीक है, तो बार्टोली इंडोल सिंथेसिस पे क्वेश्चन आ चुका है गेट 2022 पे. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डिस्कसिंग दिस क्वेश्चन ओवर दिस रिएक्शन ओवर हियर. ठीक है, सिंथेसिस ऑफ इंडोल. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइस, लेट्स ट्राई टू जस्ट सी द रिएक्शन कि क्या रिएक्शन है. बहुत सिंपल है. 7 substituted indoles are going to form from the reaction of ortho substituted nitroarenes. There is a special importance for the ortho substituent. वो क्या है वो भी देखेंगे. So special importance of ortho substituent we have to remember. So ortho substituted nitroarenes and vinyl Grignard agent. Grignard के बहुत सारे रोल है यहाँ पे. Grignard can work as a nucleophile. Grignard can work as a base over here. So it is very important mechanism. That's why we are discussing it over here. Now what we have is, guys, see, look at this reaction. Ortho position पे substituent है. Now this could be an alkyl group, it could also be a halogen, it could be anything. ठीक है, the bigger the better. जितना ज़्यादा bulky होगा उतना अच्छा. Bulky ortho substituent is preferred. Okay. Now we have vinyl Grignard in the first step, and second step में acidic workup is going to give you this molecule. Okay, so the reaction is, the reagents are not much, but the reaction mechanism is slightly difficult. ये देखो, step 1 में क्या हो रहा है? Formation of nitroso intermediate. So from this nitro, one of the oxygen is going to be lost to give you a nitroso intermediate by using this vinyl Grignard. Then there is going to be a 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement, and third step is the Grignard is going to work as a base to pull the reaction onwards and to give this indole system. और finally तो aqueous workup है ही. तो पहले देखते हैं guys, what is the most important step. ठीक है, most important and most unpredictable type of step, क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसा usually सोचते नहीं है कि Grignard is going to attack in such a way. That's why writing this mechanism becomes difficult. ये देखो. So we are having a ortho nitro molecule like this. Grignard कहाँ गया? ये रहा हमारा Grignard. Vinyl methyl bromide, vinyl magnesium bromide. ठीक है. All right. So nitrogen has a positive charge. So we will assume कि ये methyl जो है, this is going to attack on some positive species. So it cannot directly attack over nitrogen because then nitrogen will become pentavalent. तो वो तो possible नहीं है, इसीलिए ये attack करता है oxygen पे, such that the electron density goes to nitrogen. Alright, so how is it is going to be? It's very very simple. ये देखो, O minus इसके ऊपर attack कर दिया इस vinyl group ने. So this vinyl group is going to be here, and with this O minus you are going to have MgBr. Okay. So this was the first unpredictable step. Right now, what is going to happen? This O minus is going to push off this vinyl anion group. ये देखो. So you are having N double bond O, and this O minus is going to leave with MgBr. तो vinyl ने क्या किया? Vinyl group made oxygen a good leaving group because now it is stabilized by resonance. So this is your nitroso intermediate. Okay, this is nitroso intermediate. All right. लेकिन ये यहाँ खत्म नहीं हुआ है guys. This vinyl Grignard, we are using 3 moles of it. कैसे कैसे use आ रहा है देखेंगे. First mole is going to convert this oxygen as a good leaving group. It leaves. Second mole, what does it do? ठीक है, सेकेंड मोल अगेन इट इज गोइंग टू अटैक ओवर ऑक्सीजन. ये बॉन्ड यहां से खुल जाएगा. All right. Now this time nitrogen has negative charge, so I'm going to be writing N MgBr, and the vinyl group is over here. ठीक है. So from the nitroso intermediate I have got somewhat like this. Yeah, just one oxygen is missing. Let me just write it properly, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन ही तो चाहिए हमें. हमें बहुत जरूरी काम करवाना है ऑक्सीजन से. ठीक है, क्या करवाना है? 3,3 सिग्मा ट्रॉपिक रीअरेंजमेंट. So look over here. Let's write the bond in this way. N, one oxygen, one vinylic group. MgBr. Let's write over here. Okay. Now let's try to do the 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement. ये ऐसे. Okay. So the second step is 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement. After that, I will have a molecule like this. Iminium ion हो गया and a carbonyl. Okay, and then there is a proton also. Now this proton is already acidic, लेकिन जो third molecule है Grignard का, BrMg vinyl Grignard. Now this third molecule is going to help in picking out this proton from here and get the electron density on nitrogen. Okay, that is the job of the 3 moles of vinyl Grignard. अच्छा, इतने सारे electron density nitrogen पे आएंगे तो क्या होगा? Nothing. It is going to take away protons in the end. So nothing to worry about. So over here you are going to get, let's say, N MgBr and minus. What is this minus going to do? It can attack over this carbonyl. थोड़ा सा एक बार रीचेक करते हैं मैकेनिज्म को. यहाँ पे एक और कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड होगा बिकॉज आफ्टर दिस 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement I have got 1 and 2. Yes, I've got 1 and 2 of the carbons. It is going to be like this. और ये जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है यहाँ पे, दिस इज गोइंग टू अटैक ओवर द कार्बोनिल, राइट. सो आई एम जस्ट लेट्स से डायरेक्टली मेकिंग द अटैक ओवर द कार्बोनिल ओवर हियर. तो डायरेक्टली अगर अटैक करते हैं, लेट्स राइट इट इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. You are going to get a 5-membered ring. So basically the foundation for your 5-membered indole ring has been good over here. तो ये foundation बन गया है कि हमारे पास 5-membered ring आ जाएगी. And MgBr still over here, the R group is still over here. ठीक है. After the 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement, you had a negative over here. You have the carbonyl. Carbonyl पे attack करके it is going to become the alcohol like this. ठीक है. ये चलो aqueous workup नहीं हुआ है अभी, so I'm writing this as OMgBr. Okay. Now there is one more magnesium bromide over here. What is that going to do? That is going to, after hydrolysis of this whole reaction, you are going to get NH OH like this and a R group. और acidic hydrolysis है guys, तो आपको पता ही है, this is going to become a oxonium ion and nitrogen is going to push it off very nicely. तो ये एक elimination में convert हो जाएगा. In this way you are having the iminium ion now, and because there is acid, this proton is also going to fall off. तो आपका बन जाएगा indole finally. So the reagent is not difficult. The mechanism is slightly strange. All right, so you are using 3 moles of Grignard. 3 मोल का क्या काम है Grignard का, वो डिस्कस करते हैं. You are using 3 moles of this vinyl Grignard over here. First use of the vinyl Grignard is to convert this nitro, take away one of the oxygen of the nitro and convert this into nitroso. ऐसे स्टेप वाइज याद करोगे ना, तब कोई भी नेम रिएक्शन याद रहेगा. ठीक है. एंड इफ यू जस्ट ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर इट कंप्लीटली, नॉट पॉसिबल. So one of the mole of vinyl Grignard is taking away the oxygen, became nitroso. Then the other mole is again going to attack over the oxygen, लेकिन इसको ये निकालेगा नहीं. It is going to form a system like this. Allylic ether type का vinylic ether type का system बन गया है, which is going to give you a 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement, which is going to form a ketone or let's say an aldehyde if a hydrogen is present over here. This is necessary for ring closure. ठीक है. This is necessary for ring closure in the presence of acid. After this reaction cyclization happens और ये आपका product आ गया है indole. लास्ट वाला जो मोल था that is being used for the removal of this proton which was already acidic क्योंकि यहाँ पे rearomatization है so it is favored so that's why you get this mechanism. अब जब क्वेश्चन देखते हैं गाइज हम देखो गेट 2022 में आया था केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन. So starting material Y in the following reaction is, now if you let's say don't know this reaction, how are you going to answer? Because it will feel very strange कि मिथाइल ग्रिग्नाट 3 यूज हुआ है and Y is one of these. Why are we using let's say orthobromoaniline compound? Okay, how do we know we are going to get this? तो इसलिए ये रिएक्शन पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, सॉरी नाइट्रो कंपाउंड. यस इट इज बी, नॉट अजाइड, नॉट अमीन, और ये तो पहले से ही पायरोल है. सो बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ as I said, what is the role of ortho substituent? Ortho में मैंने बोला था that bulky substituent is going to favor the reaction. Now, as I told you, there could be anything on the ortho position. See here, ये देखो, यहाँ पे bromine present है. So if it is a bulky group, it is very good because it is going to favor the 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement. 3,3 sigma tropic को ये favor करेगा into the forward direction. Let's look at it once again. So here we have the 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement. ठीक है, तो ये जो अगर bulky group है यहाँ पे, if there is a bulky group over here, so this is also bulky and the chain over this nitrogen is also bulky. One side it is having magnesium bromide, the other side it is having this big chain. Okay, so when there is a bulky group, it is going to push it towards this side because here nitrogen only has magnesium and electron density. This chain is transferred over to the other carbon. तो ये step favor हो जाता है when we are having a bulky group on the ortho position. ओके तो चलो बस यही लॉजिक था इसका. लेट्स नाउ कंसिडर फ्यू मोर एग्जांपल्स टू दिस रिएक्शन, क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा एक ही एग्जांपल रिपीट होगा. ओके सो 3 मोल्स ऑफ विनाइल ग्रिग्नार्ड एंड बल्की ग्रुप एट द ऑर्थो पोजीशन, दो चीजें याद रखना. नाउ लेट्स कंसिडर एन एग्जांपल ओवर हियर. लेट्स से आई एम हैविंग Br और यहाँ पे मिथाइल ग्रुप. So I am having a vinyl grignard again. So ये थोड़ा सा different है. Vinyl grignard, one more substituent. I have THF minus 40 degrees centigrade. What am I going to get? Is the vinyl portion going to add into the molecule? क्या ये vinyl portion molecule में add हो रहा है? ये देखो, first step is going to be the conversion of nitro into nitroso. All right, so I'm directly writing guys. मैं डायरेक्टली लिख रही हूँ, ये नाइट्रोसो में कन्वर्ट हो गया, वन ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन वेंट अवे. ठीक है, देन सेकेंड मोल is going to again attack over oxygen and bring the electron density on nitrogen. इससे क्या बनेगा? You are going to get something like this. It is going to be an O minus, all right, sorry, N minus, so NMG Cl, over here Cl is given, और ऑक्सीजन पे ये ग्रुप अटैच हो जाएगा. So no worries, I will just attach this group on the oxygen. How is it going to look like? Be careful. ये जो ग्रिग्नार्ड है इसने यहाँ से अटैक किया, so it is going to attach on oxygen in this way. All right. What do we do next? We are going to do a 3,3 sigma tropic. ठीक है, तो इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है ना mechanism. Once you understand, it is easy. Now you do a 3,3 sigma tropic. Okay, and here is one bond and here is your carbonyl. Now it's a ketone, this carbonyl. Okay, and here it is N minus. So there is going to be a double bond. MgCl, और आपको पता ही है 1 more mole of the Grignard is going to pick out this proton from here. What is it going to do? Let's say हम direct attack करवा देते हैं इधर, ठीक है. And after that the reaction is going to be like this. You are going to get a 5-membered ring, 1 OH, 1 methyl, NMgCl, और OH को अगर आप OMgCl लिखो तो और भी अच्छा है. See, sometimes aqueous workup is not mentioned. जैसे यहाँ पे mentioned नहीं है, but still you are going to do it. Okay, that is a part of every reaction. So after everything is done, all the mechanism is complete, you are doing acidic workup, which is going to finally give you this kind of a indole. ठीक है, एक मिथाइल ग्रुप रहेगा यहाँ पे. This is the indole product that you are finally getting in the Bartoli synthesis of taking these two substituents. Okay, so in the previous mechanism we had the aldehyde, here we are having the ketone. All right, just try to do one more mechanism. I'm giving you an example. Just try to do this mechanism. ठीक है. So ends up like this. Okay, yeah, this is your molecule. Here it is said 4 equivalents are required for the vinyl Grignard. Okay, a little excess than usually 3. ठीक है, तो इसका mechanism आप लोग को try करके देखना है. It is the same thing, okay, but trying it yourself is going to give you more confidence in doing the mechanism in the exam. ठीक है. So I will see you all in another such video, guys. और अगर आपने मेरा app download नहीं किया है तो कर लो, please do. It goes by the name Jagriti's Chemistry Classes. It's available on the Play Store. There are going to be many useful sessions, live sessions for your practice before the December examination. Also, there is a lot of free assignment I have uploaded, और जो मेरा रफ्तार बैच है उसमें free test series भी है. So please join it as soon as possible before your exam, before 1 month is remaining, because the last 1 month is very important for practice. Okay, chalo, I'll see you soon. Bye everyone, take care of yourself.